How to send link in Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is click on your Monopoly Go application and it will look like this. Now to be able to send a link in Monopoly Go, so what you're gonna go to what you're gonna do is on the bottom part you'll see these options. You have to click on friends and it will look like this, right? Now the next thing that you're gonna do is here on the bottom part you'll see two options. It's either invite via contacts or invite via this plus icon. Click on that and here you will see the link, copy link icon or send link icon that says invite. Here you have to click on that, and here you will just have to choose the recipient of that link. So you can either send it via iMessage, your messenger, or your email, or basically just simply copy the link and just paste it anywhere. So for example, this one you want to send the link here, the invite link. So you just have to just long press and paste it and basically send it. So whenever they click on that, they will be redirected to Monopoly Go and asked to play Monopoly Go. And basically that's it. That's how you send link in Monopoly Go, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.